These airplane yokes are off of a 1957 Cessna 182, and I'm not sure what it is that the pilots like about this, but we've had several who want to have these orange, which you might have seen on some of our other videos or on our website. But we're going to paint these orange for this customer, and then we'll leather cover the outside grip areas for him, and it is going to be a shocking difference. So we'll put them through our transformation and take a look at them when we're done. This set of airplane control yokes is off of a 1957 Cessna 182, and you saw the before pictures, and this is what we have after we've done our transformation on them. We went in and sandblasted and cleaned up the yokes real well. Then we primed and painted the base of the yokes to be orange at the customer's request, and then we put the really nice smooth Nappa grain leather on these with an orange baseball stitch that matches the orange paint. So he has got a gorgeous upgrade to his airplane and is really going to enhance his flying experience with holding on to that nice luxury leather, and the look is going to be just remarkable. So reach out to us at craftcustoms.com if we can help you with your steering wheels or your yokes, any make, year, or model of airplane or vehicle. You're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.